In this video, I will show you how to show and hide widgets on specific posts, pages, and section of your WordPress website. So search this plugin widget context, then install and activate. Using this plugin, guys, you can easily show and hide widgets widgets on specific post pages and any part of your website. So use this plugin and share your experience. As we can see here, already about 70,000 active installation and a good rating for this plugin. So comment how is your experience, and also comment this video is useful for you or not. And this video we learn how to show and hide widgets on WordPress website. Thanks for watching.